Coming to the second technique, it is lower quarter leg pull technique. The patient position is same, while therapist position is standing at the leg end of the patient. So in this, the grip is holding the patient metatarsal and forefoot. You give a long traction and then move the foot into dorsiflexion. Hold this position for few seconds until the restrictions are released. Hold it for few seconds and then slowly increase the angle until end feel is reached. So from this position, while maintaining the traction, you change the grip and then do internal rotation while maintaining the traction. Then change the hand grip and then do external rotation. Get back into neutral. While still maintain the traction. Get the hip into slight abduction until you feel the resistance. Then go into hyperextension. Get back into neutral position. And slowly increase abduction. From this position, get the hip into flexion. And from this position, you go into horizontal adduction while still maintain the traction. Get the limb into neutral position. Bend her knee while you give a traction and then do external rotation and then internal rotation. Then maintaining the traction, get the limb into neutral position. So if the patient is opposite gender, if the patient is not comfortable, better use a pillow. So in all the technique, the movement should be such a way that once you felt a restriction, you have to hold that position for few seconds. And then you slowly increase the angle further so that whenever you feel the restriction, you hold it for few seconds until the restrictions are released, until you reaches the end field. So each stretch should be maintained for 90 seconds.